peering into the invisible.
For most of history, cells were invisible to the human eye. It was the invention of the microscope in the 1600s that first allowed scientists to see this hidden world. Suddenly, what seemed like simple objects, pond water, plant leaves, skin, came alive with tiny structures, forever altering our understanding of life.
For revolutionary discoveries, cells.
In 1665, Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine cork. He observed tiny compartments, which he called cells. Soon after, Antony van Leeuwenhoek witnessed living microorganisms, what he called animalcules. These discoveries revealed life's hidden complexity, sparking centuries of curiosity and investigation.
Building better microscopes.
Early microscopes were simple, but improvements rapidly followed. Achromatic lenses, invented in the 19th century, reduced distortion and allowed clearer images. The development of compound microscopes provided higher magnification, enabling scientists to view smaller and more intricate details inside cells.
The cell theory takes shape.
By the mid-1800s, scientists like Schleiden, Schwann, and Virchow established cell theory. They demonstrated that all living things are made of cells, and that cells come from pre-existing cells. This provided a unifying principle for biology and deepened our appreciation for the complexity of life.
Modern microscopy and new frontiers.
The invention of the electron microscope in the 20th century pushed science even further. It revealed organelles, viruses, and the intricate machinery within each cell. Today, advanced imaging techniques continue to unlock new secrets, expanding our knowledge about the fundamental units of life.
How microscopes changed biology forever.
Microscopes transformed biology from guesswork to precise science. By making the invisible visible, they unveiled the true structure of living things. This revolution led to breakthroughs in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology, and continues to inspire new discoveries about life on Earth.